Well, good day, folks. What do we got here today? Well, we're shutting down the pool here for the winter season, fast approaching up here in Canada. And that's the water getting pumped out here. Nothing too crazy for you pool owners out there. Right now it's in backwash mode. But what I'm sort of bringing to people's attention, I don't know if anyone else is doing this, but every time I see someone pumping down their pool, once the level gets to below the skimmer, which an above ground pool is, there, people throw in a submersible pump and then pump it down. I've never done that. What I always do is I put it in backwash mode with the cleaning hose on, and what I do is I just let the pump from the pool drain it out. So it's backwashing the filter right now and drawing it into the hose, and as long as I keep that hose underwater and don't get any air in it to cause a vacuum, this thing will keep pumping well below the skimmer level. In fact, it'll pump it right down to nothing if you allow it to, as long as it doesn't break suction. So anyways, I'm going to pause the video here, and then I'll be back later and you can see when it's below the skimmer. I'll show you that it's still pumping. More to come. Okay, so we're back here, and the water has just got below the skimmer. You can see it's just at roughly the screw height there, and of course it's still submerged, and there's a little bit of water sitting on top, but nothing's coming in the skimmer, and it is coming out of there pretty good. It's still going to pump, and it'll do it until it either breaks suction or I shut it off. So I'll let that go a little longer, and I'll show you as we get closer to the end of the pump down, which for me, I usually go about 2 feet roughly below the skimmer, 1.5 to 2 feet, just to allow, in case snow builds up in the winter, of course, and melt in the spring and some of that stuff. So make sure it doesn't melt and refreeze in the spring. So more to come. Well, we're back here, and as you can see, the water's down there, probably a good 12 inches at least. And yeah, it's still pumping out, as you can see. The water's just pouring out over there, so let it go for a few more minutes and we'll call her a day. So that's basically what I do. I just pump it down using the actual pump there, and part of your pool system rather than an external pump, and moves a lot of gallons a minute, so it doesn't take too long. I didn't start this till about later in the evening, and it's just starting to get dusk now, so I'll probably let it go for another 15 minutes or so and call it a day. So anyways, that's my tip. For those that don't have any pumps and they want to pump their pool down, this is a way to do it.